In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online. So it's going to be very simple. First, you have to connect into your QuickBooks dashboard with your account, and then once you're signed in, hover over Transactions over here, and then click on Bank Transactions. Once you do this, hover over Bank Transactions and click on that, and then over here, you'll be able to connect your account. So click on Connect Account. And then over here is going to take you to this website where it says, let's get a picture of your profits, and then you will have to enter in your bank name or the URL. Okay, so let's say I'm going to just type in America, so to look for American Express, for example, or Bank of America, or whatever you want to do. So of course, just select your bank, and then once you've done that, you can just click on that specific bank, and then for me, it's going to say that if you need to connect the banks with different currencies, you have to upgrade to QuickBooks Online Essentials or Plus. This is because I'm currently on the free version as I'm showing you this, but of course if you have one of these versions or are connecting to a different bank, you'll just of course not get this message, and then you will basically just be able to sign into your bank account and essentially basically connect your bank account over here to QuickBooks Online. Okay, so that is essentially how you do it. Just find your bank, click on it, and then connect it via the prompts on your screen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.